Hello children, you know that I am teaching you general knowledge, but I am also teaching you social studies. Earlier Leena ma'am was teaching you social studies, but from now onwards I will be teaching you. So you all have completed 5 chapters. Today we are going to start chapter 6, Greenland, the land of snow. Clear children? Now here I begin. Okay, we have already studied that the areas near the poles, North Pole, South Pole. Areas near the poles are very cold and they are known as frigid zones. Clear? The areas near the poles are in the frigid zone. Frigid zone has extreme cold or polar climate. They are very cold. Greenland is one of the countries which lie in the frigid zone. Greenland lies in the frigid zone, the Arctic Circle. Greenland is one of the countries which lie in the frigid zone. Greenland is an island in the North Atlantic Ocean. It lies in the Arctic Circle near the North Pole. Greenland is located in the northeast of North America. Baffin Bay and David Strait separate it from the northern islands of Canada. Greenland is a part of Denmark and is ruled by the government of Denmark. Its capital is Nuuk and earlier it was known as Gotland. It is also the largest island in the world. It was discovered by Erik the Red. Who discovered Greenland? Erik the Red. And what is the capital of Greenland? Nuuk. And it is governed by the government of Denmark. Now land surface. It is a low plateau surrounded by coastal mountains. These mountains are always covered with thick snow. This snow cover is called ice cap. Sometimes these ice caps break off, slide down and fall into the sea. These floating ice blocks are called icebergs. They are dangerous for the ships because the major part of an iceberg is below the seawater. So, they cause danger to the ships. Greenland covers around 21.5 lakh square kilometers. It is the world's largest island. It looks white as more than 80% of its area is covered with snow. Permanently covered with ice or snow. Then, what type of climate it has? Greenland has a polar climate, means it has very cold climate. It does not receive any rainfall. The temperature always remains below 0 degree Celsius. The winter lasts for 9 months, 9 to 10 months, and during the winters, the sun does not rise above the horizon. What is horizon? The line. Horizon means the line where the earth and sky appear to meet. So, winters last for 9 to 10 months, and during the winters the sun does not rise above the horizon. There is heavy snowfall. In summers there is continuous daylight. The weather is bright and sunny. The sun can be seen even at midnight. So it is called the land of the midnight sun. Even in summers the temperature remains below 0 degree Celsius. Chilly winds blow at a speed of 160 kilometers per hour. So, Greenland has a polar climate. The temperature always remains below 0 degrees Celsius and the winters last for 9 to 10 months. And in summers there is continuous daylight, the weather is bright and sunny, and the sun can be seen even at midnight. Now, what type of vegetation and animal life it has? Due to extreme cold, plants cannot grow here. During summers, mosses, lichens, grasses and willow trees grow here. They are very short trees. There are no forest. Animals which have thick coat or skin survive here. Polar bear, musk, ox, lemming, Arctic fox, reindeer, Arctic tern, seal and husky are found here. Huskies are wolf-like dogs important domestic animals. They are used for hunting animals and pulling sledges. Clear, children? Vegetation and animal life. What type of animals survive here? The animals with thick fur survive here. Now, life of the people. The Inuits or Eskimos are the original inhabitants of Greenland. They are short and stout people. They are mainly hunters and they live very hard lives because no vegetation is there. So they depend on hunting. They do not have permanent houses. They live in houses called igloos. Children, you know what are igloos? The house made of snow is known as igloo. So the people of Greenland, they live in igloos. An igloo is built of slabs of ice in a circular manner. It is dome-shaped. It has gaps to allow air and smoke to pass through. The floor of the igloo is covered with animal skin and fur to keep it warm. An igloo can be made in 2 or 3 hours. Animals and whales' fat are used to burn lamps and cook food. In summers, people live in tents made of animals' skin. Clear, children? In winters, they live in igloos, the house made of snow, and in summers, they live in tents made of animals' skin. Their main hunting weapon is called harpoon. Harpoons are spears with long ropes of leather attached to them. People also make small boats with the skin of seals. These boats are used for fishing and are called kayaks. The frame of the boat is made of bones. Clear, children? Now, what type of clothes they wear? Clothes. The Inuits wear clothes made from the skins of seal, walrus and reindeer. Waterproof shoes are also made from the skin of the seal. Jacket with hood made of fur are worn by men, women and children. Such a jacket is called parka. Eskimos also wear a double set of trousers and coats made of animals' fur to protect themselves from cold. Then, progress. What progress they all have made? Many changes are taking place in the lives of the Eskimos. As a result, their lifestyle is improving. Today, many of them live in modern houses. They use rifles for hunting. They even have motorboats for fishing and motorized sledges for transport. And a motorized sledge is called a skidoo. Schools, colleges and hospitals have also started. Most of the people work in oil fields and mines. Nuuk, earlier known as Gorthel city, has a population of more than 18,000 people. Air services have been started from North America and Denmark. In short, people are not far away from the modern world. So children, the chapter is clear to you? In this chapter, we studied about that where the Greenland lies and about its land surface, then what type of climate it has, then what is the vegetation and about the animal life, about the life of the people, then clothes they live in, which type of houses they live, what type of clothes they wear and what progress they have made till now. So now there are some points to remember. Greenland is the largest island. Greenland has a polar climate. Greenland is called the land of midnight sun. Why it is known as the land of midnight sun? Because during summers, the sun, we can see the sun even at the midnight. So it is also known as the land of midnight sun. Eskimos are the original inhabitants of Greenland. Igloos are made of ice. People of Greenland, they live in igloos in winters, and in summers they used to live in tents made of animal skin. Eskimos use harpoons for hunting the animals. Now all these points are clear, children. Now we will do fill in the blanks, yes or no, and choose the correct option. And question answers we will do in next video. Okay children, first come to fill in the blanks. Dash and dash separate Greenland Greenland from the islands of Canada? Yes, children. What is the answer? Come to page number 33. The answer is given in second paragraph. Baffin Bay and David Strait separate it from the northern islands of Canada. So what is the answer, children? Baffin Bay and David Strait separate Greenland from the islands of Canada. Now the second fill in the blank is Dash discovered Greenland. Who discovered Greenland? Eric the Red discovered Greenland. Third, the temperature of Greenland is mostly below 0 degree Celsius even in summers. Dash are used for hunting by the Eskimos. The weapon used for hunting by the Eskimos is called harpoons. Harpoons are used for hunting by the Eskimos. Children, third fill in the blank is the temperature of Greenland is mostly below 0 degree Celsius even in summers also. Dash are used for hunting by the Eskimos. What is the weapon used for hunting known as? Harpoons. Harpoons are used for hunting by the Eskimos. Dash is a boat used for fishing by the Eskimos. Kayaks. Kayaks is a boat. Kayak is a boat used for fishing by the Eskimos. Then, now next exercise is yes or no. You have to write whether it is yes or no. Greenland lies around the equator. Children, this is yes or no. Is this true or false? False. Because Greenland lies in freezing zone, not around the equator. The area around the equator is known as torrid zone, but Greenland lies in freezing zone. Long trees grow in Greenland. No. Small trees, short trees grow in Greenland, and that too very less. Huskies are wolf-like dogs. Is this yes? True. Yes. Huskies are wolf-like dogs. Yes. Eskimos are very tall people. No. They are very short people. Eskimos are very short people. Ski-doos are motorized sledges. Yes. Motorized sledges are known as ski-doos. Now, choose the correct option. Greenland lies around the North Pole, South Pole or both the poles. Greenland lies around the North Pole. Then, Greenland is a part of America, Canada or Denmark. Greenland is a part of Denmark. The animal used for pulling sledges is husky, seal or polar bear. The correct answer is polar bear. No. The correct answer is husky. Husky is used for pulling sledges. The original inhabitants of Greenland are, yes, North Americans, Africans or Eskimos? Eskimos. Eskimos are the original inhabitants of Greenland. Children, all these exercises are clear to you? Now question answers we will do in next video, but activity. Let me explain these activities. First activity. On the world map, you have to locate Greenland. Take the map of world and locate Greenland on it. Clear, children? Then next activity. In the space provided, draw and color an igloo. What you have to do in this? The space is given to you, and in this space you have to draw an igloo and color it. Is this clear? What is an igloo? An igloo is a house made of snow. And the people of Greenland live in igloos during winters. Clear, children? Both these activities you have to do. You have to revise these exercises. This fill in the blanks, yes or no, and then choose the correct option. These three exercises you have to revise. First of all, you have to complete in your book. Then you have to learn, and you have to do these two activities. This is your homework. Clear, children? Now, question answers. Question answers I will give in written in next video, but we can discuss in this video. Now, describe the climate of Greenland. What type of climate Greenland has? It is given on page number 34, children. Greenland has a polar climate. It does not receive any rainfall. The temperature always remains below 0 degrees Celsius. The winter lasts for 9 to 10 months, and during the winters, the sun does not rise above the horizon. There is heavy snowfall, and in summers there is continuous daylight. The weather is bright and sunny. The sun can be seen even at the midnight. Then, name 4 animals found in Greenland. The 4 animals found in Greenland are polar bear, musk, ox, Arctic fox. You can write any 4. Clear, children? Many are given. You can write any 4. Then, how are huskies helpful to the Eskimos? Huskies. Same. The answer is given on page number 34. This 1, 2, 3, 4th paragraph. Huskies are wolf-like dogs and are important domestic animals. They are used for hunting animals and pulling sledges. Huskies are dog-like fox. Yes, huskies are wolf-like dogs and are very important. They are used to pull the sledges and they are also used for hunting. Now write about the third question. Third question we have done. Now question number 4 is write about the Eskimos. Who are Eskimos? The original inhabitants of Greenland are Eskimos. Now, what are now we have to write about the Eskimos. Eskimos are the original inhabitants of Greenland. They are short and stout people. They are mainly hunters and they live very hard lives. They do not have permanent houses. They live in houses called igloos. It is given on page number 34, last paragraph. Then, define iceberg, igloo, harpoon and parka. What are icebergs? Icebergs. Iceberg, page number 33. Floating ice blocks are called icebergs. What are icebergs? The floating ice blocks are called icebergs. Then next is igloo. The house made of snow is called igloo. Then harpoon. What is harpoon? Harpoon is the weapon used for hunting. Harpoons are spears with long ropes of leather attached to them. They are used for hunting. Then next is parka. What is parka? Parka is a jacket with hood made of fur and are worn by men, women and children. What changes have come in the lives of the Eskimos? Life of the Eskimos. Changes in the lives of Eskimos. Many changes are taking place in the lives of Eskimos. Their lifestyle is improving. Today, many of them live in modern houses. They use rifles for hunting and they use motorboats for fishing and motorized sledges for transport. And that is known as skidoo. All these answers I will give you in next video, children. Okay.